So in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Asters. Okay, so you can download the application. Okay, you can download the app if you want to use the app, or you can also use a Trustwallet. So for this video, I will show you how to use it with Trustwallet. So when you go to your Trustwallet, okay, in your Trustwallet, you're going to need BNB so that you can use it for gas fee. Okay, because it's in the Binance Smart Chain, and then you're going to have USDT. Your USDT should be in the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so when you have this, you go to the Astersdex. Ensure you use your Trust Wallet the app browser. Okay, let me disconnect my wallet so that you see it. So when you go to the Astersdex, you will be taken to the home page like this. Okay, so this is the home page now. Asters, you can see it. Yeah, they are currently done $512 billion in volume. So it's the training project now. Now when you take it to the home page, you click on the launch app. When you click on the launch app, it will not take you to the other side, which is the one you can see currently on my screen. All right, now first thing first, you want to connect your wallet. So you can go with email, but I will recommend you to go with what Trust Wallet. Okay, so that it will be seamless for you. So go with Trust Wallet, then connect your wallet. This smart contract does not charge any fee. Okay, it's just for you to sign in to verify that you are the owner of the wallet. So does not charge any fee from your account. So when you are fully connected your wallet, it's time to deposit. But don't deposit here. This is the pool account. Switch, click on the menu and go to spot. Okay, when you go to spot, you can now click on what? Deposit. Now, when you click on deposit, it pops up this for you. Don't deposit to perpetual. You see, change the perpetual to the spot account. Then you see the BNB chain. This is the chain you are using. For those of you who are using other chains, there is Ethereum chain, there's Arbitrum chain, there's Solana chain, any chain you want. But I use BNB chain, so then you can now change this Asters to USDT, and you can now put the amount of USDT you want to deposit to your spot account. When you put the amount of USDT you want to deposit, you can now click on deposit, and you now confirm the transaction, and it will be deposited into your Asters spot account. Then you can now buy your Aster, or you can see I have $1.5. It's not up to the max. The minimum of buy is 5, so I cannot buy. But this is how you buy it. Okay. Also, if you want to sell, I can sell now. If you want to sell, I have a 1,900 Asters. If I want to sell, I click on sell now. I can click on sell and I will sell it. So this is where you buy and sell in the spot, and this is how to deposit in the spot. Now you can also see your portfolio to see your coins performance. So this is how to buy Asters. Don't buy it on any exchange. Buy it directly from Asterdex. Use my favorite link. Okay, buy it directly from Asterdex. Cheers. This coin has the potential to do a lot. It was even posted by the former CEO of Binance, CZ. He posted the chart of this coin, and since then it has been parabolic, and it is not fully launched yet. And definitely this coin will be listed on Binance. So this is an opportunity to get it at this early rate. And of course, this is not a financial advice. Cheers.